So firstly, I'm going to teach you how to make a slip knot. So it's very easy. One way I'm going to show you. First of all, I'm using a very thick yarn. This is t-shirt yarn and a bigger hook so that it's easy to see. So all you have to do is, if I know you already know how to, but I'm just going to tell you just in case you don't. So you just I'm going to show you the first way. So you put the yarn on the bed or whatever, a flat surface, and then you put it like that. You make a P out of it, and that goes over the short side. The long side goes over the short, and all you have to do is just put your finger in this loop and pull it out. Pull that yarn out, and there you go. There's your slip knot. Now you can pull the longer side and make it short, and then put your hook through it, and then you can start. So this is one way to make it. I'm going to show this way again. So you put the yarn flat, you make a P, you put your finger inside the loop and pull out the other one, and then just hold both ends and pull like that, and then you shorten it, and there you go. There you have a slip knot. So the second way to make a slip knot is to make the P in your hand. See, a P. There's your P. You put your finger inside and pull it out. Best. You can use either of these ways. There are some other ways as well, but I think beginners ke hisab se this is good. So yeah, you take it, you make a P in your hand and then this is the P. See, this is the P. You put your finger inside the holes of the loop, and you pull it out, and there you go. Now chaining is very simple. First of all, you put your hook through the loop, the slip knot, and then you pull the longer end. So there you go. Now all you've got to do, let me just put my yarn aside. Now all you got to do is, so this is called yarning over. This is called yarn over, and all you have to do is just yarn over and pull. That's really simple. To chain, when you put your hook through the loop, how do you hold the yarn? Well, there are several ways. One way is to take the yarn through your pinky over these two and coming ऐसे ऊपर से like that, and then you can start chaining just like that. Or instead of wrapping it around your pinky, you can just hold the yarn through your 3 fingers and put it over this one. See, just put it in your 3 fingers and put it over your hand. Mostly it's going to be your pinky that's putting tension, ताकि इससे दबेगा ये, ताकि इसको जितना टाइट रखना हो उतना कम निकले, या जितना लूज रखना हो उतना ईजिली निकले. So again, over your pinky and over the 2 fingers and like that, or just normally like this. Let me show you. ऐसे इसको नीचे से लो, या ऐसे, या फिर ऐसे, whichever one it works. दोनों 3 तरीके हैं. Over the pinky, इन दोनों के ऊपर ऐसे लिया, and then like that you hold, right? and फिर इससे करना है. Second, तीनों में लिया, बैक से ले दिया and ऐसे, या फिर in the 3 fingers and over this one, whichever one works for you. Now अब क्या है, इसको ज़्यादा टाइट खींचोगे ना दोनों तरफ से, इसको भी बहुत टाइट, इसको भी बहुत टाइट, तो फिर हुक को निकालने में, जैसे यार्न ओवर भी कर लिया तो निकालने में दिक्कत आएगी, एंड फिर वो गंदी चेन बनेगी. देखो द लूप्स में कितना फ़र्क है. ये लूप्स लूज है, ये बहुत टाइट है. तो यू हैव टू इसको कहते हैं यार्न की टेंशन मेंटेन करना. तो वंस यू हैव, एंड टेंशन को एकदम से स्टार्टिंग से मेंटेन नहीं हो जाती है, इट टेक्स टाइम. सो यू जस्ट यार्न ओवर एंड पुल, over and pull, and don't mind if your chains are very loose. like ऐसे बड़ी बड़ी chains भी बन रही है तो ठीक है, ज़्यादा टेंशन ख़राब है, लूज टेंशन इतनी ख़राब नहीं है जितनी ज़्यादा ख़राब होती है. and you just pull. okay, so now again chaining. हुक को थोड़ा सा आगे लो एंड यूँ लो, अपने से दूर भेजो कि जा, फिर वापस बुला लो कि चला जा, एंड देन यू पुल इट आउट. तब तक ये फंस जाएगा इसके अंदर. तो पहले दूर जा, चल वापस आ जा, and then under. very easy. As you can see that the chains are very loose, which is okay. And this is one chain, this is one chain, this is one chain, two chain, three chain, four chain, and then you can count. This is very thick yarn, by the way. Make a P, put your fingers through the loop and pull it out. There you go, slip knot. Very easy. Put your hook through the slip knot and pull the longer end, tighten it. Very good. Take your fingers and put it over, or whichever way. I'm using this one, and hold the slip knot. Then दूर जा, पास आ, and ऐसे. And एक चीज़ याद रखना, don't pull it like this. This will make it harder to pull. Just you, जब ये जो है ना you, this curve should be on the upside when you're pushing it away, कि दूर जा तब ऊपर, फिर जब पास बुलाना है तब नीचे कर दो तो वो पास आ जाएगा. अगेन, दूर जाते वक्त ऊपर, पास आते वक्त नीचे, दूर जाते वक्त ऊपर, पास आते वक्त नीचे. एंड योर रिस्ट शुड, ऐसे ऐसे करना है बस, ऐसे ऐसे. अगेन, दूर जाते वक्त ऊपर, पास आते वक्त नीचे. अब मान लो इतनी चेन कर ली, अब दिक्कत आ रही है तो जस्ट शिफ्ट योर हैंड अप एंड वापस से दूर जा, पास आओ. अगेन, दूर जाते वक्त ऊपर, पास आते वक्त नीचे. फ्रॉम अ क्लोज अप, दूर जाते वक्त ऊपर, पास आते वक्त नीचे. That's all you gotta do. It's very simple, and you've got yourself a nice little chain. If you want other stitches ka bhi, you can ask me, or any doubts you have, you can just tell me. Very simple. There you go.